Hello Quizers, welcome to Quizrooster. Are you really good math? Prove your skill today taking our board mass math speed test. Let's go. Before starting, please subscribe to the Quizrooster channel for more exciting quizzes. First questions. 6 plus 4. Ten. Next one. 15 minus 5 is equal to 10. 3 times 4. 12. Can you solve this? Yes, 4. 18 plus 9. 27. 36 divided by 6. 6. Multiple and answer. Correct, 27. 60 minus 20. 40. 81 divided by 9. 'You are right, 9. 16 times 2. 32. 100 divided by 10. 10. Can you solve this? Yes, 11. 55. Can you solve this equation? Yes, 30. 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. Answer is 27. Solve this one. You are genius, 150. 145. 60. Keep going. You are right, 48. Can you solve this one? You are right, 120. Can you solve this equation? Yes, 55. This one. Right answer is 55. 24. Solve this one. Yes, 100. 37. Please comment your score. 36. Can you solve this? Yes, 60. You are right, 120. $48. Please comment your right answer. Yes, 66. Solve this one. 80. Keep going and solve this one. 25. $160. Can you solve this equation? You are genius. 20. Solve this one. Correct. 35. Solve this question. $18. Find the answer. Yes, 37. Can you solve this one? Wow, 45. Keep going. $48. Find the answer. Please comment your right answer. 46. Can you solve this? Yes, 40. $50. Find the right answer. $60. Can you solve this? Correct. 30. Choose the right answer. $62. Solve the problem. $36. $100. Please comment your score. $150. Thank you for watching.